In this video, I'm going to show you how to align the direction of a display with the direction of a segment. But first, I must show you how to download the predefined macro constructions of MATLAB. So, you browse to MATLAB website, you click on Other Versions, you click on Download of MATLAB, and then you download this zip file, construction for JavaScript version. You extract this file to the directory of your choice, and then the constructions are available to be used in your own figures. So let's go back to MATLAB. You create a new figure, for example with a frame like this. First of all, I'm going to create two free points with integer coordinates. First point named A, second one named B. Then I use this icon, x-coordinate measure, to measure the coordinate, the x-coordinate of A. I name it like this. Same for point B, xb. Now, this icon for y-coordinate measure, I click on point A. I made a mistake. I click on point B. Then I expand this toolbar and I create a calculation, name dx with this formula. Another one named dy. And another one named 4 with this formula, square root of dx square plus dy square. Now I create the segment A to B. I create the midpoint of this segment. And then I expand this toolbar and I choose to create a latex display link it to point, link it to the midpoint. I click on formula insertion. I click on 4. I want this display to be centered and above the point. Now, if I move my points, the display is dynamic. But it would be better if my display was aligned with the segment direction. So for this, I'm going to use a predefined macro construction. You click on this button, More Tools. You click on this tool, Manage Construction, and you choose Incorporate Construction from File. You browse to the directory you extracted your zip file to. You open Oriented Display, and you choose this macro construction, display angle. Click on button Open. Now this construction is part of your figure and you may use it. So I click again on Manage Construction. I click on Implement a construction of the figure. I choose display angle. I must first click on the first point. I click on A, then I click on B. If I click on this icon, I can now see that I've got a calculation named display angle, and this is the value I must use for angle for the display. But there is a little problem. If I click on this tool, protocol, I can see that my display angle was defined after the latex display, but I want the latex display to use this value. So I click on the latex display, I click on this icon to reclassify the latex display after the value display angle. Now, if I use this tool, graphical object modification, I click on the latex display, and I click here on the values button. I can choose display angle for this display. I can also click on background erase. OK. Now you can see that my display value is in the direction of the segment and in the direction where it is always readable. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and thank you for watching.